Good day everyone, especially to you ma'am. Good day po. My topic for today is all about assessment of learning. I give you 15 questions and answer with rationalization about assessment of learning. Number 1. Identify the characteristic that can make assessment difficult to apply and therefore should be avoided by teachers. Letter A. Applying assessment contextually. Letter B. Provide interactive feedback on student performance. Letter C. Setting definite variables as in rubrics. Letter D. Discussing abstract concepts. The correct answer is letter D. Rubrics are all deal practices in assessment. On the other, discussing abstract concepts will make assessment difficult to apply as they are also